What is the difference between a database and a data warehouse? The primary purpose of a database is to store and process day-to-day transactional data for efficient handling of data processing operations. For example, a retail store database needs to store prices of all the items and manage inventory data amongst many other things. Every time an item is sold, the transaction is recorded in database and the inventory data is updated along with other processes. The processes usually involved are create, read, update, and delete sort of data processing operations. A database is designed to handle such processes efficiently. The primary purpose of a data warehouse is for analytics and reporting, that is, supporting business intelligence activities. Analytical processing usually involves running complex queries for data analysis, and thus data warehouses are designed for relatively efficient processing of such queries. So the main difference between a database and a data warehouse is that databases are designed and optimized for day-to-day transactional processes, whereas data warehouses are designed and optimized for analytical processing. Day-to-day operations and transactional processes usually require current, most up-to-date data, and so databases are designed to efficiently store and process current data. Whereas analytical processing often requires analyzing historical data, and so data warehouses are designed to store and be able to efficiently process huge amounts of historical data. Data warehouse may not hold the most current data. For example, a retail store database will usually store the most up-to-date current data, such as the current item details and the latest prices of the items. Whereas the data warehouse for the retail store may need to store many years of historical data to support analytical processing. Data warehouse may store data corresponding to many historical price points so that the historical data can be analyzed, for example, to figure out how price changes affect sales and other variables. Data in databases is usually updated in real time. Data in data warehouse generally goes through an ETL process. ETL refers to extract, transform, and load process. An ETL process extracts data from multiple sources, transforms it as required, and loads it into a data warehouse. So how current the data is in the data warehouse usually depends upon how frequently the data warehouse is updated. These were some of the differences between a database and a data warehouse.